Samsung is gearing up to revolutionize the foldable smartphone market with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Leaks indicate that mass production has already begun, setting the stage for a major launch. These cutting-edge devices are set to replace the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 with significant design, performance, and hardware upgrades teased through certifications and leaks. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 sleeker, faster and more powerful. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, stepping up from the previous generation's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This next-gen foldable will boast a thinner profile, just 8.22mm when folded, dramatically slimmed down from the Fold SIXS 12.1mm. Battery leaks from UL Solutions Demco certification reveal models EB-BF966AB and EB-BF967AB, delivering a combined 4,272 mAh capacity, a slight downgrade from the Fold SIXS 4,400 mAh. However, expect 25W fast charging to remain a staple. Exciting rumors suggest Samsung could incorporate a 200MP primary camera, alongside a less noticeable display crease and a refined hinge mechanism, promising a more seamless and durable folding experience. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 bigger cover display and Exynos power. While the Fold 7 gets Qualcomm power, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might ship with Samsung's own Exynos 2500 chipset, a departure from earlier Snapdragon rumors. Certification listings unveil battery models EB-BF766AB and EB-BF767AB, bringing a total 4,174 mAh capacity, a slight bump over the Flip SIXS 4,000 mAh. Additionally, users can look forward to a larger 4-inch cover screen, offering more functionality at a glance and 25W fast charging for effortless power-ups. With refined internals and software optimizations, this clamshell foldable is shaping up to be Samsung's most polished flip yet. Production and launch timeline: a strategic shift. Reports confirm that Samsung has officially kicked off mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. However, the company appears to be taking a cautious approach, with a target of 2 million units for the Fold 7 and 3 million units for the Flip 7, to 40% less than last year's production numbers. This reduced output could signal a strategic shift due to lukewarm sales of previous models. However, Samsung seems determined to dominate the foldable market, focusing on premium innovations and a more refined user experience.